The Holy Prophet ﷺ said, "Al-mar'u ala dini khalilih, falyanzur ahadukum man yukhalil." That a person is upon the religion, the way, the mannerisms of his intimate friend. Every single one of you should beware and careful who you keep company with. Here the Prophet ﷺ is really telling us that the people that we keep company with, our friends, our companions, our colleagues, people that we spend a lot of the time with, rub off on us, whether it is good attributes, bad attributes. And so we should be careful who we keep company with. We should be careful what influences have an impact upon us. This is obviously true and in the physical sense, but it's also true in a virtual sense as well. Sometimes you can be on the phone and you could be watching something, watching a scroll, or scrolling a feed, or following someone on the internet. You might think, well, actually I'm not keeping this person's company, but in fact, everything you see, everything you hear has an impact on you as well. And so we should be careful when we're on social media, when we're on the internet, that this warning that the Prophet ﷺ gave about the company we keep rubbing off on us also applies to the company that we keep online. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He grants us all good company and that He saves us and protects us from the evil of bad company. Wa sallallahu wa sallam ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.